This is the NLG Tether Loop, and the Tether Loop comes in 3 different sizes. You've got 120mm, 150mm and 170mm version. And tether loops are used to create a tether point on a tool which has either a wasted, i.e. a narrower midsection, or a tool which has a pre-manufactured hole which is not big enough for us to be able to clip a pre-manufactured hole which is not big enough for us to be able to clip a tool lanyard directly onto. So I'll show you now how to install a tether loop on a tool with a pre-manufactured hole. So we're going to use the 150mm version. I'll take the 120 and 170 away. And we have here an S-twing hammer. And the S-twing hammer has a pre-manufactured hole in the handle. So we're going to take our tether loop, we unscrew it like so. And then we're literally just going to feed this through the hole of the tool here, and I'm going to do it up like so. Now on the tether loop, you'll see there's a safety feature on this, which means that as I tighten it up, I can't over tighten it. The thread actually disconnects in this chamber here. So I can't over tighten it. And if I reverse it like this, I don't get an accidental release on it. Now, if I did want to take this tether loop off, what I would need to do is to pull both sides, re-engage the thread, and then the tether loop will actually come undone. So that's a safety feature that we have on it. Now, if you did want that tether loop to stay on there and never come off, we would suggest you use a dab of thread lock in there. As you do it up, that will then permanently lock it. And we do also have the locking tether loop. So this is available in the 150mm version, and this one here is permanent. So once you do it up, it's a push fit. Once you do the push fit up, that tether loop is then locked and will never come undone. So that there is the NLG tether loop.